Hey guys, it's your girl Eurellis and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I got a little makeover. I did some highlights and I got a fresh Dominican blowout, but it was well over 8 days since I've had my natural curls and it's time to wash. Now, it's been a hot minute since I last put some oils in my hair, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take my scalp massager and make sure that I massage the roots of my hair, and I'm also gonna make sure that I apply some oils to the ends of my hair since I do have that fresh dye, and that way I can prevent any dryness or any damage that might have been caused from bleaching my hair and from also blowing out my hair since it's been a really long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I shampoo all of that dirt and oil from my hair and making sure that I prep it well for my hair mask. Now, I did apply my conditioner before I do my hair mask. That's just how I personally do it. You know, back in the day, I used to shampoo my hair first and then put a hair mask and then conditioner. So I'm curious to know, what do you guys like to do? Leave me comments down below. What do you like to do? Do you like to put your conditioner first and then your hair mask, or your hair mask and then your conditioner? Let your girl know. Boom, we are prepped and ready, and this is the hair mask I'm gonna use today from Eden Body Works. I do have like a full review on this hair mask, so if you guys want to see that video, I will link it for you. I personally like to apply my hair mask in sections, and I also like to detangle my hair and definitely like to curl. I like to train my curls is what I'm trying to say, especially now that I got these highlights. Like, I really need to take extra precaution, and doing a hair mask will definitely do that for me. So I left that in my hair for about 20 minutes or so, and these are my results. They look so juicy and so nice, and it felt really soft. And then this is how my hair looked after I rinsed it out. Oh my God, you guys see that shine? So pretty. One thing I love to do is I love to put on my leave-in conditioner right away, and I like to wet plot my hair for a while. That way I can keep in the moisture, because my hair tends to be on the drier side. I do have low porosity hair, if you guys don't know that. And I don't know, I just find it to be easier, especially when I go in with my other styling products. My hair already feels conditioned and ready and prepped. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my body, and let's get to styling. Of course, I have to start off with wetting my hair because, like I said, my hair just tends to be on the drier side. And I already did one side off camera, so this side did get really dry on me. I'm applying my curl cream from Aunt Jackie. I will have all the products that I used in today's video down below. And I'm just gonna rake that through and making sure that I really hydrate my hair and making sure that I get my ends, especially that we have that fresh dye. And then I'm going to smooth that over with some gel. I like to make sure I do like the praying hands motion. I find that when I do it this way, I have less frizz and I have a lot more hold. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps throughout my hair. I am going to air dry my hair for about 15 minutes or so, and then I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my hair, and I'll show you guys my final results. Here I'm just using my Pick Out Your Crown comb from shopnoveliste.com. It's the latest addition to my store, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link down for you. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I love the way my hair came out. So I am loving my little makeover. I love my curls. I love the way they look with the blondes, and I'm overall really happy with my results. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And of course, don't forget to glow. Mwah. Bye.